So what we're going to do is just a basic, easy beginner circuit. We're going to start with a sit-to-stand movement using the legs. It's probably one of the toughest movements you're going to have in the circuit. You can work at your own pace. If you need to take a rest in between each repetition, take it. Your goal is to try and work your way up to about 20 reps, and that takes some doing for most people. So if you sort of get to 6, 7, 10 reps and you need to stop and move on to the next exercise, that's also fine. So I'm going to put my hands onto the arms of the chair. So I'm using my arms and my legs to work together, leaning forward slightly, and I'm going to push up. Remember what we said about coming down in a controlled way, and then we're going to push on up again. And you repeat that sequence as many times as you feel that you need to. I'm going to refer you back to a video we did on the Borg scale, which is like a rate of exertion. You want to work between about a 5 and a 7 on that rate of exertion. So don't go over to an 8, a 9 or a 10 or anything daft. The only people that would be working at a 10 anyway would be elite athletes. And I doubt that if you're watching this video, you are an elite athlete. Then the next bit we're going to do is some sort of wall push-up. So the reason why I'm using the wall is the more upright you are, the less weight is going through your chest. The further your feet come out, the more weight is going through your chest. So basically the more effort you have to put into the exercise. If you're around the house, most people have got a little bit of wall or a door that they can use. What I would say to you is your progressions would go down maybe to a table or a window ledge, maybe down onto a lower chair and possibly even to the floor. The wider your hands are, the easier the exercise is. The closer your hands are to each other, the harder the exercise is. So I'm just going to place my hands here, get a nice solid base, tummy's tucked in. I'm going to pop my nose to the wall and back. If you're not clicking, you're not alive. So don't worry about the clicks. So again, that exercise you do as many as you feel comfortable with. The third exercise in the circuit is just going to be a simple piece of stomach work. So we're going to do stomach work standing up, and all it is like or you can do it seated, but all it is a contraction of the stomach. So you're pulling in like you're trying to get into a very tight pair of trousers. If you've already looked at the breathing video we did, it's the vacuum. So you're pulling up and in at the same time you'd lock your pelvic floor on. Again, you do as many of those repetitions as you feel comfortable with. What I'd say to you is that that little circuit can be repeated back to back. So instead of having 3 exercises, you end up with 6 exercises. If you go around again, you end up with 9 exercises going around in a chain, and then you can plan the rest in. So you can make it as hard or as easy as you want to. That's a really basic, simple circuit to start with.